How to create a subreddit on Reddit. First, you want to simply open your Reddit application, and once you're inside your Reddit, you want to tap on your profile. You want to simply tap on three bars over here at the top left of your screen. By doing so, you would be able to find an option called Start a Community over here. Tap on Start a Community, and by doing so, you'd be able to select your category of community over here. Tap on Next. After that, you want to simply select your community type, if you want to be private or public over here. Tap on Next again, and by doing so, you want to simply give your community a name over here. After you've given your community a name, you'd be able to add your description over here as well. And once you have added your description, you want to simply tap on Create Community over here at the top right of your screen, and by doing so, you would have successfully created your own subreddit over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.